The D5600's matrix metering system copes well with a range of lighting situations, although you might need to dial in some negative exposure compensation in high contrast scenes to retain highlight detail, and recover shadow detail in post-processing if necessary. Alternatively, the D5600's active de-lighting system can be useful in such situations, retaining more detail in both the highlights and shadows when shooting JPEG files. The D5600's auto white balance system performed well in a range of lighting conditions, rendering natural-looking results, although under some artificial lighting images can look a touch yellowish, so you may want to opt for one of the dedicated white balance presets. The burst shooting speed of 5 fps hasn't increased over the D5500, and while it's a solid number, some mirrorless cameras of comparable price and spec are offering considerably more speed in this area, so if action's your thing, this may give you pause for thought. What a mirrorless camera will struggle to keep up with, however, is the D5600's battery life. What a mirrorless camera will struggle to keep up with, however, is the D5600's battery life. Good for 820 shots, it towers over most mirrorless options, with potential rivals like the Panasonic Lumix G80/G85 capable of just 330 shots before you'll need to recharge or swap batteries. Snap bridge on the D5600 still needs refining. We had issues partnering the camera with our iPhone at first, and it still feels a bit clunky in use. We love the idea, but it needs improving on.